Good morning, guys. Umoto Lifestyle here. Welcome to my channel and thank you so much, guys, for clicking. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe, share the video, and this is the place to be, guys. Today is Sunday. As you can tell, the sun is loving me. The sun is on my face right there. You can tell. Let me turn around. After you can see the sun, guys. It's just shining on my face. It's Sunday. The weather is amazing. And guys, it's morning. It's around 9 a.m. Guys, I just woke up. You know, Sunday, I love to sleep a little bit more. Okay, so I just woke up in the morning. I'm like, what am I going to do? I need to vlog for you guys. As you know, I love pumpkin. Like, I love to eat pumpkin so much. So I went to this Asian store and I found pumpkin. And at the same time, I finally found a pot. You see, a pot is that pot that we use back home. People use clay to mold and it makes the pot, and you can cook with that pot in direct fire. Like, you can put that pot in direct fire. So I'm going to show you that pot, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to cook breakfast. And today our breakfast is none other than pumpkin, guys. So stay with me. In a little bit, I just wanted to give you a little bit tour of my my little garden here so that you can see what's going on. And I know it's Sunday, people are molding glass, doing their yard, so you can hear the background noise, and that's the noise of people doing their yard. But I'm gonna turn my camera so I can show you guys behind me. Those are my apples, my pears, guys. I'm sorry, my pears. Look at them, look at them, look at them. They're coming up, guys. Look at it. Look how they look. So the pears are almost ready. The flowering season is over. Now you can see a little bit pears over there, guys. So which means this year actually we're gonna have a lot of pears here. And guys, as you can tell, we have two trees here. And this, guys, I love this swing set here. This my hubby just made this swing set here, and I love chilling. Can you imagine chilling in between pear trees and a swing set? That was my dream, and now I can do that. Okay, so I can come here and chill out. I hope this thing is recording. And guys, we can sit and the swing. Oh my gosh, I love this swing set here. Can you imagine reading a book here, you know, editing a video here? That's what I do most of the Sundays when the weather is really good. So I love this swing set, guys. Can you imagine swinging and you're eating the pears? That is my kind of lifestyle. I love it. Just natural African village girl. I love this kind of lifestyle. So I wanted to show you a little bit how they look like. And let me take you to the garden over there. And you see, because I planted kales, guys. If you have not seen the last past video that I put, what I planted on my little garden here, look at it. We have onions. They're doing so well. These spring onions, guys, they are godsend. They are doing so well. And here we have this kind of kales. It's called collard. Let me see. It's called, let me see, guys. Swiss chard. Large ribbed dark green. So that is the name of this. These over here. So look. That's how they look. They're coming up really well. And over here, the kales are doing so well. Over here, guys. So our garden is doing, I'm sorry for my shadow, it's doing so well, guys. So guys, without wasting your time, we're gonna go inside. I hope this thing is recording. We're gonna go inside, guys, and we're gonna make breakfast. I was supposed to cook out here, but because we're fixing the yard, so I'm not gonna be able to cook my pumpkin out here, but I'm gonna do it next week. Probably cook potato or sweet potato over here, guys. And guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, guys, my name is Umoto Lifestyle. I pretty much do videos about my lifestyle. I vlog everything about me, and I am African. I live here in the USA, guys. I'm a village girl from Africa. So if you love this kind of videos, go ahead on my channel. I have plenty of videos there, and subscribe, guys, and enjoy, watch, and share with your friends. Come on, girl. Share with your friends. Okay, so let's go inside, guys, and enjoy cooking our pumpkin with our new pot.